Are you ready for a Korean barbecue and Japanese fusion feast that keeps the food coming for a full 2 hours? If you're craving unlimited premium meats, fresh seafood, sashimi, sushi, and authentic Korean favorites, all freshly prepared and served straight to your table, then this is one buffet you definitely shouldn't miss. Welcome, fellow food trippers. Today, we're taking you to Hodai restaurant Unli Barbecue and Seafood Grill Buffet located at 14th Examiner Street, Quezon City. Did you know that Hodai means all you can eat in Japanese? True to its name, Hodai offers an unlimited dining experience featuring premium Korean barbecue, Japanese specialties, and fresh seafood, all served through convenient table service. So you can sit back, grill, eat, and enjoy. Whether you're dining with family, friends, or celebrating a special occasion, Hodai has a buffet package that's perfect for both your appetite and your budget. Choose from 3 buffet sets, $599, $699, and $799 premium. Let's see what its package has to offer. The $599 buffet set already includes some customer favorites like crispy tempura, K-Odeng soup piece cake skewer, cheese scallops, and Tuna Tataki. A great choice if you're looking for an affordable yet satisfying Korean barbecue experience. Want even more? The 699 pesos buffet set upgrades your feast with fresh salmon sashimi, Cajun crab and seafood, butter oysters, and juicy ribeye steak. Plus, you'll also enjoy everything included in the 599 pesos package. Seafood lovers will definitely appreciate this upgrade. Now, if you're ready for the ultimate feast, the 799 pesos premium buffet set includes everything from the 599 pesos and 699 pesos packages, plus unlimited servings of Wagyu cubes and cheese ball ribs. Perfect for meat lovers who want the complete Hodai experience. No matter which buffet package you choose, you'll enjoy 2 full hours of unlimited grilling. And of course, the stars of every Korean barbecue experience are the meats. Every serving is freshly prepared and delivered straight to your table. Beef lovers can enjoy LA Galbi, herb beef, enoki beef rolls, plain beef, gochujang beef, and yangnyeom beef. Each cut grills beautifully, giving you tender, juicy, and flavorful bites every time. If you prefer pork, Hodai also serves herb pork steak, plain pork, gochujang pork, yakiniku pork, and dappe thin sliced pork. Perfect for pairing with pressed lettuce, kimchi, and your favorite dipping sauces. And don't forget the pressed shrimp. They are served pressed and ready for the grill, making them the perfect addition to your Korean barbecue feast. Of course, No Korean barbecue experience is complete without delicious side dishes. Hodai serves kimchi, potato marble, kani salad, japchae, pickled radish, steamed egg, sushi rolls, lemon chicken, and pressed lettuce. Pair everything with their flavorful sauces, cheese sauce, samjang, and sweet chili sauce. Every bite becomes even more delicious. If you're planning a birthday celebration, Hodai offers a 5+1 birthday month promo. Here's how it works. Bring 5 full-paying adults and the birthday celebrant gets to dine free. It's the perfect excuse to celebrate with family and friends over unlimited Korean barbecue. Some important reminders before visiting Hodai restaurant. Keep these house rules in mind. Dining time is limited to 2 hours per table. Take-out of leftover food is strictly prohibited. Unfinished food is subject to a 300 peso penalty per person. So order wisely, enjoy responsibly, and help reduce food waste. Senior citizens and PWD guests can also enjoy discounted buffet rates, making Hodai's unlimited feast even more affordable. So if you're looking for unlimited Korean barbecue, premium meats, fresh seafood, Japanese favorites, and excellent value for your money, Hodai Restaurant, Unli Barbecue and Seafood Grill Buffet definitely deserves a spot to your Metro Manila food bucket list. For reservations and inquiries, call 0966 660 5060. Come hungry because you'll definitely leave full, happy, and satisfied. If you enjoyed today's food adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more buffet reviews, restaurant discoveries, and amazing food trips around Metro Manila. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can never miss our next food adventure. Until next time, fellow food trippers, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.